going to explain about biodiversity. Biodiversity is a key measure of the health of any ecosystem and of our entire planet. Every organism in an ecosystem are release on other organisms and the physical environment. For example, plant and animal species need each other for food and depend on the environment for water and shelter. Biodiversity describes how much variety an ecosystem has in terms of resources and species, and also genetically within species. A more diverse ecosystem will have more resources to help it recover from famine, drought, disease, or even the extinction of a species. There are several levels of biodiversity, each indicating how diverse the genes, species, and resources are in a region. Biodiversity is defined as the variability among living organisms for all sources, including inter alia, terrestrial, marine, and the aquatic ecosystems and the ecological complexes of which they are part. These includes diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystems. Natural or human included factors that directly or indirectly cause a change in biodiversity are referred to as drivers. Direct drivers that explicitly influence ecosystem processes include land use change, climate change, invasive species, overexploitation, and pollution. Biodiversity is the shortened form of two words, biological and diversity. It refers to all variety of life that can be found on Earth, as well as to the communities that they are from and the habitats in which they live. Some of the major values of biodiversity are follows: environmental value, social value, ecosystem services, economic value. The term biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth at all its levels, from genes to ecosystems, and can encompass the evolutionary, ecological, and cultural processes that sustain life. Four types of biodiversity. Species diversity. Every ecosystem contains a unique collection of species, all interacting with each other. Genetic diversity. Genetic diversity describes how closely related the member of one species are in a given ecosystem. Ecosystem diversity. Fundamental functional diversity. Genetic diversity. Genetic diversity describes how closely related the member of one species are in a given ecosystem. In simple terms, if all members have many similar genes, the species has low genetic diversity because of the small population. Endangered species many have low genetic diversity due to inbreeding. Inbreeding. This can be pose a threat to the population if it leads to the inheritance of undesirable traits or makes the species more sustainable to disease. Having high genetic diversity helps species adapt to changing environments. Ecosystem diversity. A region may have several ecosystems, or it may have one wide expanse of oceans or desert would be example of region with low ecological diversity. A mountain area that has lakes, forest, or grasslands would have higher diversity. In this sense, a region with several ecosystems may be able to provide more resources to help native species survive, especially when one ecosystem is threatened by drought or disease. Species diversity. Every ecosystem contains a unique collection of species, all interacting with each other. Some ecosystem may have more species than another. In some ecosystems, one species have grown so large that it dominates the natural community. When comparing the diversity of ecosystems, an ecosystem that has a large number of species but no species greatly outnumbering the rest would be considered to have the most species diversity. A large number of species can help an ecosystem recover from ecological threats even if some species go extinct. Thank you.